Hello all, welcome to cooking series with Khushi and Mom. In this video, let's see two options with corn. Firstly, let's get started with the breakfast option. Ingredients needed: corn kernels, soaked rice, green chilies, coriander leaves, cumin seeds, curry leaves and salt for taste. Here I am adding the soaked rice for the extra crispiness. Now that we made our batter, let's add some salt to taste. If needed, let's add some water and adjust the consistency of the batter. Let's give a fine mix and our batter is ready for making dosas. Crispy, yummy corn dosa is ready for us to taste. Let's move on to the snack option with corn. Ingredients needed: corn kernels, salt, chili powder and some oil. Let's add some oil and put corn kernels after the oil gets heated. Saute corn kernels until you get a nice darker brown shade. You can hear sizzling sounds. At this moment, let's add chili powder and salt as per our taste. Let's give it a fine mix. And a simple yet tasty snack option is ready. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.